welcome to my YouTube channel. So I really just wanted to make a quick intro, just really giving y'all detail about what this channel is going to entail. This is my dental channel. So I decided to do this because a lot of people hit me up and ask me about advice and, just helpful information on applications about dental school. How did I get to where I am? Just like a whole bunch of different questions. So on this channel, I'm going to be touching base on a lot of that. I'm going to make a lot of vlogs. Yeah, so I'm really just going to be helping y'all out. So if you know a friend that's applying to dental school or interested in dental school, feel free to send them my channel. If you have any questions or anything that you want to know, I could try my best to help out. Yeah, so really just tune in, because on this channel I'm gonna let y'all in to the scoop, that most people don't tell you in dental school. So if you want the inside scoop, you might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe and turn that post notifications, because that's just what it is. Okay, that's just what it is. And I'm here to basically open the world to view doctors as more than uptight professional people. Most doctors, are cool. They do have a good personality, so I'm really just here to, show y'all some education with a little drip. You feel me? So yeah, a little bit about me also. My name is Tania. I recently got accepted into Howard University. I am dental class 2025. I graduated from Winston-Salem State University. I got my bachelor's in chemistry. I am from Fayetteville, North Carolina, the only child. And I love dentistry. Like, really what solidified my interest in dentistry was when I went abroad to Nicaragua. Don't know if I'm saying that right. I always mess that place up, but I love the place. People are nice there. It's in Central America, I believe, and I just loved it. That really solidified my interest in dentistry, because I was able to perform hands-on training on actual people. So I was really intrigued by that. I'm not even going to hold you. So that really solidified my interest in dentistry, and I really hope in the future that I can potentially serve underserved communities as I did when I went to Nicaragua. So that's a little bit about me. In my vlogs, you're going to see more about me. You're going to see me moving into dental school, how it is, the stress, the happiness, meeting new people, networking. I'm just going to bring you on this journey with me. So just like, comment, subscribe to the video, share with a friend, and do not forget to turn on the post notifications, because you need to know when I post, right? So, all right, thanks y'all for tuning in. Bye.